Hello, this is Team 22 from the Civil Engineering Department, and our project is called Notch Road Improvements. We worked with Larry Murphy from Jacobs Engineering as our sponsor. So the problem that our team is addressing is unsafe vehicle speeds and safety concerns for non-motorized users on Notch Road in Simsbury, Connecticut, which runs between West Mountain Road and the Canton Town Line. The objectives of our design are to create a safe, visible route for cyclists and pedestrians, to reduce speeds for motorized vehicles, and to create an effective, economical, and feasible design with minimal environmental impact. The reported average daily traffic on Notch Road is 5,000 vehicles per day, and this contributes to danger for pedestrians and cyclists. And another issue that we're looking into is an awkward junction at the intersection of West Mountain Road, Chestnut Hill Road, and Notch Road. Some relevant constraints to our design are town right-of-way, existing wetlands in existing driveways and properties, and the Farmington River Trail, which connects Notch Road to from West Mountain Road. And some relevant regulations that our design will meet are the Town of Simsbury Highway and Construction Design Standards, DOT and AASHTO standards, and NACTO Bikeway and Design Standards.
So here we have our analysis for the various designs that we considered. So our first design is a roundabout with a bike lane. The second design is a roundabout with a separated bike path. The third design is a realignment of the existing intersection with on-street bike lanes. And the fourth design is a roadway realignment with a separated bike path. So all of these designs were ranked based on their safety for pedestrians and cyclists, their cost of construction estimated, the environmental impacts, and the user expectancy. And the alternative with the highest final value was selected as our final design.
Okay, so on the left, we have the existing conditions. As you can see, the intersection meets at an angle less than 75 degrees, which is not up to modern day standards. So we kind of had two choices here, whether to do a roadway realignment or a roundabout. However, you can see that the roadway realignment cuts into the property of the homeowner to a point where it's not a viable option for the design. We decided to go with the roundabout because it's also safer for pedestrians and it was just in the right of way overall. So here is the horizontal realignment of Notch Road itself. We are working with a 50-foot right of way, and on the left is a 7-foot separated bike lane, which is up to the NACTO standard of a minimum of 6 feet for bidirectional bike lane. It is separated with a 2-foot grass median. On the right is a 6-foot on-road bike lane with striping to separate the pathway. Our final design is the on-road bike lane alternative and the roundabout. The roundabout has a inscribed diameter of 110 feet, which is up to NASTO code for a WB50, which is a typical tractor trailer truck to get around the roundabout with ease.
Our vertical geometry was developed by using the Town of Simsbury design standards and the Connecticut DOT manual. We made sure to have a minimum grade of 0.5%, at least a 100-foot vertical length, and a stopping site distance of 200 feet. We tried to stay as close to the existing conditions as possible to minimize environmental impacts and lower the cost of the project.
Finally, we have the cost of construction that we were able to estimate based off of a quantity takeoff of the plans that we created. So this is based off of the Connecticut Department of Transportation standard specifications and the Form 817 construction manual. So our total cost estimated to complete this project would be $1,633,488.60. So with that, thank you for joining us and take care.